This tutorial shows you how to configure an Omron camera for your robot application in ArtiMinds RPS. First, open the FHV launcher to start the setup of the Omron vision system. Set the communication mode to normal TCP and the operation mode to standard. Then save and reboot. Assign a persistent IP address to the camera. And follow the standard calibration procedure. Calibrate the coordinate system. Be aware that the robot program will expect all values in millimeters. Make the necessary conversion in the actual coordinate setting. In this application, the robot's TCP shall follow a workpiece. To do so, start by programming a detection scene. And add one result-output message as output header, as well as one for each object that shall be detected. Now you have to define 4 scene variables. Add variables for x and y, as well as the angle of rotation. In the next step, assign output parameters to the defined variables. Afterwards, the header is used to pass the number of detected objects. Use the data structure as shown in this scene. Please note that the object count has to exactly match the number of results. The object output will pass the part location to the robot. Here you can see the required data structure. Make sure to always set digits of the integer to 0. And to use digits of decimal to adjust the numerical precision. Configure your robot and the Omron vision system in ArtiMinds RPS. Enter the camera's IP address as specified before. Vision templates then automatically retrieve the detected position. Center detection moves the TCP to the object's center. You can create an infinite loop by setting the loop's iteration and increment to 0. Now the robot is able to detect and to follow the workpiece with the Omron camera.